Welcome everyone and welcome back. I wanted to do a video on Franklin Hatchett's Savage Affiliates. This course is very good. I will just go into it now and I'll show you. So this is an affiliate marketing course, and for the price I paid $197, and for the price it is absolutely invaluable, I have to say. Now I'll just show you quickly the modules. So if you look at the modules here, he has a very good structure. Starts off with affiliate marketing introduction. Then module 2, he talks about affiliate products to promote, building your website, email marketing and funnels, ClickBank affiliate marketing, ClickFunnels affiliate marketing, ClickFunnels 2. These two modules are invaluable as well. And Amazon affiliate marketing, the amount of information he gives you, this course should be worth way more than 197. And he's just given a wealth of information here. Goes in detail with paid traffic, launch jacking and web hosting. And this is extra free stuff, which is very useful about emails, email marketing. So if I go into one of them, let's go into, for example, ClickFunnels. There's so many, over 100 videos altogether, maybe 120, 100. I've lost count, to be honest. But he goes through everything. Franklin goes in detail. He talks about ClickFunnels intro, how he makes money. He has case studies of students. So if you go into, you go into that module and look, he has so many using keywords, how to create SEO article, create call to action, like every single detail you can imagine. I have to say this is probably one of the best courses I've had, I've done. I've learned so much. I created a website myself from this. I'll show you later on. I'll just go through this with you, the categories first. But he just talks about keywords and long key tags, what to use. And he's just like, for example, you go to paid traffic. He's got all these modules within paid traffic. But if you click on, I don't know, say if you click on Facebook ads, within it, there's so many videos. He's got Google ads as well. Google ads part 1, part 8. Like, he goes into so much depth into the course. Also talks about Facebook ads and installing pixels, so you can track your pixels so that you can see what's working and what's not. And if something is working, you can rinse and repeat that and really funnel in into that advert and get the most sales, most leads. But this course is super, super detailed. It really is. Even I'll go through building your website. He has all these modules. Goes to page 2 as well. Collecting emails on your website, collecting emails on website 2. Like, even each one of these you go into is so many other videos. So it's incredibly detailed. He's really taken his time. It shows that Franklin really shows that he cares, and he does want you to succeed. And then he's also got a Facebook members only here, and he's got his offers here, obviously. But you can click on here and ask him questions, and he will reply back. He always replies back to me. I've sent emails as well, and he's replied back. And if we go to the ClickFunnels, the only thing with the ClickFunnels now is because of the ClickFunnels policy, his funnel is down at the moment, but he's working on that to get it working. But I'm sure, knowing Franklin, he'll get that done. And but he goes for free traffic training as well. He talks about free traffic training. So much information, what websites to go to. There's websites here where you can find out what people are searching for, and you can create an article on that question. So it's endless, the amount of stuff you can do. But he's always there with you along the way. So you're not alone. You've got this little course here, and I've referred back to this course again and again. And when you keep on doing it, it starts to sink into you. Yeah. And it just keeps building your knowledge at the same time. And it's very straightforward. You just have to sit down and do it. And his videos are quite short as well. I mean, the longest is what? Probably 40 minutes, but a lot of them are like, this is 15 minutes, This other one's like 13 minutes, 2 minutes. So it's got 3 minutes. So they're very short and sweet, but he's to the point. If you're interested in this course, There is a link below. I'm not. It's not an affiliated course, so I'm not going to make commission off it. So it's just a course which I just genuinely recommend because it's helped me a lot. Now, from this course, I created. I'll show you. I've created this website here. It's basically reviewing. This website is reviewing ClickFunnels. And it's a bit slow, which is, oh, here we go. See, so I've got a website like this, and I've followed exactly what Franklin said. And you know, I'm an affiliate with Bluehost, so I've got this tag here. So, and I've got my email list here, you know. And then he also talks about ClickFunnels here, but then also he's got GetResponse. You know, this is the email autoresponder that you need to collect your emails. So I've got this email here. I've got it linked to, internet's a bit slow today, very slow to be honest. Oh, here we go. So I've just been doing this for like two months, but I've been doing this article, and I've got like links to my affiliate link to my 14-day trial, you know, Franklin reviews that he gives, and little buttons there, call to action buttons, another one there, and comparisons, you know, and getting your free trial. And then I've also got like reviews as well, different reviews. So basically Franklin tells you to create like these kind of blogs and then put your links on here. Like these are all affiliate links. So when people click to it, it makes money, but it's not a quick, rich scheme. What you do is you keep creating content for the first 3-4 months, articles, which I've been doing. And within a year, you will start to see a snowball effect. I've got a few commissions, like I've got a few people signing up to here. So I've made about $100, probably once a week or once every 2 weeks. It's a bit slow at the moment, but my website is ranking slowly. But you keep creating articles, and your website will start to rank once you add keywords and what have you. So I've got like this many emails at the moment, and I've got different lists here. So you just use this website, you link this up, which I'll do a video on, but you can link this to your autoresponder. So, you know, if someone signs there, it's added to your list. And I'll have if you get this course, everything is explained, how to do email marketing, everything. But I will do a video on it, and I'll show you how I go about and how I create automations and everything. But this video was I just really wanted to recommend this course. You know, I'm not getting any money from this. It's just genuinely, I'm recommending this. It's probably one of the best courses out there for affiliate marketing. You know, it's no BS. It's straight to the point. And if you don't really believe me, you can be skeptical. You know, I was a bit like that, but you know, $197 we spend a lot of money in the year. So 197, we've spent a lot of money on junk. So to invest in yourself for 197, this is definitely a good investment. So I would definitely recommend this course. Franklin does a brilliant job of it. If you go to one of those Google websites where people find out and ask, you know, is this course a scam, what have you, just type in Franklin's name and watch. All of his reviews are 5 out of 5. 5 out everything. It's probably the most comprehensive affiliate marketing course out there. It just covers everything, and it's just to the point, and you're always engaged in the videos, and it's very simple to do as well. You know, we just have to take action because you don't realize that this stuff is very simple. It just takes a bit of time and patience and consistency, and you will get there. So check the course out in the video below, description below. And I'll leave a few links in there to GetResponse and what have you, if you're interested. They have a free trial, 14-day free trial, also with ClickFunnels, so you can try that out. But I just thought I'd tell you about that and about this course. Highly recommended. And I'll see you in the next video.